Welcome back. Today topic is voice. Voice is relation of the verb. Voice is relation of the verb or form of the verb. The relation is direct to the subject, it is active voice. The relation is indirect to the subject, that is passive voice. Okay. In the active voice, subject is important. In the passive voice, object is important. One see, police is subject, punished is verb, thief is object. If you want to do active voice to passive voice, we should follow ATK formula. It is very important. See, initially we have to do analysis. Analysis means subject, verb, object. This is first one. This is first one. Second one, to find the tense. To find the tense. Subject, verb form to object. Now what is the sentence? Tense is simple past tense. Simple past tense. Because subject plus V2 plus object. Next third one. To find kinds of sentence. To find kinds of sentence. This is start with subject ending with the full stop. It is affirmative sentence. It is affirmative sentence. The assertive sentence, affirmative sentence. Okay. Last one, A means apply. How can you do apply? Object should come first place. After that you should write helping verb. And third one, verb form 3. Fourth one, preposition. Fifth one, object. If it is affirmative sentence only, not for negative, not for interrogative, not for imperative sentence, like that. Understand? See, the thief is object, we should keep as first rule, only for affirmative sentence. Second one, we should apply helping verb. Was is helping verb. Punished third form is punished only. Preposition, fourth one, preposition by. Sometimes by, sometimes to. Okay. And next one, subject should be written last. This is fifth rule. Remind that only for affirmative sentence, not for negative, interrogative, imperative. Okay. This is active voice to passive voice structure. Now one see, the police punished the thief. The sentence meaning passing from subject to object in the active voice. Okay. Here the meaning of sentence from object to subject, it indicates passive voice. It indicates passive voice. Okay. Here the police punished the thief, active voice. The thief was punished by the police, that is passive voice. Now importance of the passive voice. See usage 1. When the subject is well known. For example, the thief was punished. No need to write by police. The thief was punished, it is in passive voice. No need to write by police. By police means subject is well known. Second one, when the subject is unknown. When the subject is unknown. My watch was stolen. By someone or somebody, no need. Because we don't know particular person. So that no need to write by someone or by somebody. We are giving more importance to the object than subject. See, Taj Mahal was built by Shah Jahan. It is in passive voice. Your object Taj Mahal. Shah Jahan is subject. We are writing a object first importance. Most of the people know Taj Mahal. If few people know about Shah Jahan. Now according to kinds of sentences, first one is assertive sentence. These are two types, affirmative and negative. In the affirmative sentence, example is I gave a book. I gave a book. According to ATK formula, code, analysis, subject, verb, object. T means to find the tense. Subject plus V2 plus object means simple past tense. Okay. K means kinds of sentence. Start with subject, ending with full stop, it is affirmative sentence. A for apply. Okay, object written as first, suitable helping verb written as was, given verb form 3, preposition by, subject written as object case me. See, I, me, we, us, they, them, he, him, she, her, you, it only, name only, active to passivize, Once you come negative sentence, I shall not give a pen. It is negative sentence, not is there. According to ATK formula, analysis, subject, shall or will, shall helping verb, not, main verb, object. And T means to find tense, Subject, shall or will, main verb, refers to simple future. A for apply, means a pen, suitable helping verb is will. It is negative sentence, so that we should write not, be given. This is a compound helping verb 1, helping verb 2. Between them only we should write. Or after the first helping verb, we have to write not. Okay? A pen will not be given by me. I changed as me. Okay? Second example. I do not give a pen. According to ATK formula, analysis, I do, negative word, main verb, a pen, object. Now, whenever you see in the question do not or does not, it represents simple present tense. So that a pen is not given by me. Object, helping verb, negative word, verb form 3, preposition me. And second one, I did not ask a pen. Did not refers to always simple past tense. To find tense means simple past tense. A pen was not given by me. According to interrogative sentence, first one is yes or no type question. Example, have you given a pen? Have you given a pen? Now should follow analysis. A for analysis, helping verb, subject, main verb, object. Analysis. To find tense, subject have or has V3. Subject have or has V3 refers to present perfect tense. Okay? Subject have or has V3, object, present perfect tense. And K means kinds of sentence. To find kinds of sentence. This is interrogative model. In the kinds of sentence, what kind of interrogative model? A for apply. See, apply means object should be written straight to the subject. Helping verb written straight to the helping verb. Here, you acceptable, agreeable helping verb is have. A pen, agreeable helping verb is has. Second helping verb should be written after the object or before the main verb, been. Once you passivize, object have or has been V3 by plus subject. Have or has, as is suitable, so as written first, and second helping verb written before the main verb or after the object. Preposition is by. Okay, you does not say, but we should write objective case is you only, by you. Listen. As a pen being given by you. As a pen being given by you. This is interrogative yes or no type question. Now, question word type. Question words, WH words and how. Example 1. When will ye meet me? When will ye meet me? Should follow ATK analysis. Question word, helping verb, subject, main verb, object. To find tenses. Subject will or shall be1 refers to simple future tense. Means subject plus will or shall or will be1 plus object. Next, to find kinds of sentence. Start with question word, ends with question mark. And apply. Object should be written strictly to the subject. And helping verb should be written before the object or strictly to the helping verb. What is that? Shall. I shall. Okay. Here he will. He agreeable helping verb is will. Here I acceptable helping verb is shall. Question word as usual. Question word as usual. And second helping verb. We should write before the main verb or after the object. By as usual. By as usual. And him. He is changed as him. Objective case. Okay. If you close this one, when and when, it refers to yes or no type question. If you know yes or no type question, start with question word, it is very easy. Understand? So now we are going to imperative model. Imperative model, imperative sentence means command, order, request, suggest, advise, wish or warning. For example, stand up. Answer is you are ordered. For those words which are suitable, order. You are ordered is passive voice form. Before the question we should use to. That means 2 plus V1 or additionally words we may write. You are ordered to stand up. Second one. Open the door. Open the door. We may write two types of answer because it is transitive verb, it is intransitive verb. For intransitive verb we should write only one model. For transitive verb we may write both of them or any one of them. Let the door be open. Door is what is object. Before the object should write let. Before the main verb should write be. This is a special helping verb. Or this kind of answer, you are ordered to open the door. First one type here. Next, for negative model, don't make noise. Don't is negative meaning. You are ordered. Up to here passive form, we should attach remaining word. Before the to infinitive, we should write negative word. Suppose don't means make noise. To make noise, before that 2 should be written. These are fixed. 2 plus V1 as like friends. 2 plus V1 as like friends. Okay. Though we don't separate them. Before 2 plus V1 we should write not because don't is written. And additional word what is a noise. Understand? You are ordered not to make noise. Don't keep not spelling between 2 and V1. Okay, before 2 infinitive, 2 plus V1 only, before the word should write not. Now another example. Beginning with be. For example, be ready. Answer is, you are suggested to be ready. Up to you are is common. According to this feeling, you may write suggestion or advice or warning or like that. You are suggested. Before the question, what is the question? Be ready. Before the be ready, we should apply to. Now answer is, you are suggested to be ready. Now requesting word. Requesting word is please. Please help me. Please refers to requested. Here what is that suggested. According to sentence, feeling or emotion, should write suitable verb. Okay. You are requested. What is the question remaining? Help me. Help me means in the question word only we have taken question. Before the question we have to write preposition to. Here 2 plus V1 fixed. Understand? Answer is you are requested to help me. Suppose if it is negative, please don't help me. If it is negative, then answer is you are requested not to help me. Before the two only we should apply negative word anuvati not. Okay. You are requested not to help me. If it is positive, you are requested to help me. If it is negative, you are requested not to help me. Next, beginning with let. Let him give you a book. Let him give you a book. This is the question. Answer is object should be written strictly to the subject. This is the first step. Let as usual written strictly to the let only. Second step. And should write be. B. Okay. Auxiliary verb. Or before the main verb should write be. Or after the object you should write be. And as usual, common words, what are those? By. Me don't change. Him don't change. Him as usually written by him. Okay. Answer is let a book be given by him. Now according to double objects or ditransitive verb. Example, I gave him a book. Here two types of objects are there. Him, a book. Him refers to indirect object. A book refers to direct object. Direct object means which refers to things. Indirect object means living things. Answer we may write beginning with indirect object. What is indirect object? Him, changed as he. Suitable helping verb is was. Gave third form is given. What is given? A book. By whom it is given? By me. By me. You may interchange by me first, a book second. Or as usual, a book by me. Or by me a book. Both are correct. Now second model. You may take direct object. You may take direct object. What is that? A book. Suitable helping verb is was. Third form, gave third form, V3. By me, to him. By me, to him. Okay. According to ATK formula, analysis, subject, verb form to indirect object and direct object. May write as usual. According to extra words or additional words in the question. For example, I met him yesterday at the office. According to this formula, analysis, subject, verb, object, extra words. To find tense means subject plus VT plus object, simple past tense. K means kinds of sentence. Start with subject, ends with full stop. A means apply. Answer C. Him changed as he. Helping verb was because simple past tense. Met third form, met only again. Preposition by. Me is written. I written as me. Remaining words are extra words. According to modal verbs, shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, must, need to, dare to, ought to, used to. See, subject plus modal verb, main verb, object. For example, I subject, modal verb can do main verb, the sum object, passive voice. Object the sum, modal verb which is given in the question, can changed as can be, do, third form done, preposition by, I changed as me, objective case. Except shall and will, For remaining changed as be only. For example, should be, would be, can be, could be, might be, might be, must be, need to be, dare to be, ought to be, used to be. For example, you need to give a pen. Answer is a pen need to be given by you. Here also, I can do the sum. The sum can be done by you. Can changed as can be. Need to changed as need to be. Except surely will. Except surely will. Because they will come in simple future tense. According to subject agreement, they will be changed. For example, I shall help you. In the answer, you will be helped by me. Not changed as shall be. According to subject agreement, except shall and will remaining okay, these only we have to think. I shall help you, answer is you, acceptable helping verb is will be. Verb form 3 helped preposition by I changed as me. Okay? Once see. Thank you everyone.